Part 4, determine whether the points are on the equation. Well, for this, basically all you're doing is you're checking to make sure that the point actually works out when you plug it in. So in this case, we're given y squared is equal to x squared plus 16. So what we can do here is we can say, okay, let's check it. So if this is our x value, our potential x value, this is our x value and this is our y value, we can just plug it in and see if it actually works. So we got x, so we got y squared, so that's 4 squared is equal to 0 squared plus 16, which is 16 is equal to 0 plus 16, which then of course 0 plus 16 is just 16, so it's true. All right, so what we can say is this point is on the graph, so on the graph. All right, now let's try the other one. So on B, we've got our
It's the last call for all bus riders. Last call for all bus riders.
On B, we've got 0 squared, because this is our y value, our x value. 0 squared equals 4 squared plus 16, which is 0 is equal to 16 plus 16, which is 0 is equal to 32. Now, can 0 be equal to 32? No, 0 is only equal to 0. So this is false. So not on. And for C, so this is our y value, this is our x value. Plugging into our y value is 0 squared again. It's equal to, and then negative 4 squared plus 16. Let's see, so it's going to be 0 is equal to 16 plus 16, which is equal to 32, which once again is not true, right? It's not true, so not. And that's problem 4.